Today I'm going to be using the unfinished pieces that come from the Tumbling Tower game from the Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 72 small little blocks. And I'm going to start by painting 8 of them with some Wise Owl Republic Red. And I want to get a good coat on those. Then I'm going to take 8 more, and I'm going to paint those using some Wise Owl Snow Owl. And again, just want to get good coverage so we don't have to go back and do a second coat. Then the third section, I'm going to have 12 pieces, and I'm going to be using some Wise Owl Anchor on those 12 pieces. And I want everything to fully dry before I move to the next step. Once everything was dry, I'm going to be using my hot glue gun, and I'm going to stack 2 of the red blocks on top of each other and then 2 of the white blocks on top of each other. And I'm going to repeat that until I have 3 sets of the red and 3 sets of the white. And again, I'm just using some hot glue to adhere them. We use Gorilla Glue sticks. These seem to hold the best. I'm then going to take 2 more red, and instead of stacking them, I'm going to place them side by side, and I'll do the same with the set of white. Now what's remaining is all the blue pieces, so I'm going to put those into sets of 2 as well, just stacking them on top of each other. And I did that until I had 6 sets of 2. And as you can see, we made the shape of a cross. And now I'm just going to glue all those sections together. I found it was easiest just to glue by section. You can certainly create your cross and then paint it as well. Whatever you find is easiest for you. And I love this because, again, these little blocks came right from the Dollar Tree, so it's also a really inexpensive craft. Next, I have these star cutout shapes. I got a pack of them from Hobby Lobby. They come quite a bit in the pack, so you could use them for other projects as well. And I decided to paint my stars with some gold dust. It's a metallic gilding paint from Wise Owl. It's one of the heavy metal colors. You could pick any color of your choice to do for the stars. They have a pretty silver, and of course you can do white as well. I have this board. It measures 19 by 11 inches, and I'm going to glue the cross right in the center of the board. And then I'm going to place the stars in the blue area, and I will adhere those down with some hot glue. Now you can put a saying on the top and bottom of the cross, or you could just leave it plain like I did. And you can also just hang the cross by itself. You do not need to add it to a board. To just brighten up the paint and just give it a top coat, I'm using my Wise Owl Furniture Salve. This comes in scented and unscented. It has many uses, but we love to use it as a top coat on our paint. And there we go. Now we just have this very easy, fun Americana Cross. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.